What's up my beautiful people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Potentially, I know every day we always get to have beautiful subscribers every day joining our YouTube channel, guys. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for always viewing my video, guys. It has been a pleasure, guys. I respect that. I don't take it for granted. I respect it a lot, so much, guys. So wherever you are, keep watching, guys. Keep subscribing. Always support your boy. Do me a favor. Just take a minute or a second. You just go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So right now, what I'm doing, I am heading to town. I'm heading to town. I'm going to do some 1-2 errands over there for myself and my farm. Yep. So as you can see over here, I have this phone. You see? So this phone, this one over here, let me stand first to show you. You see? So this phone is working currently. It is working. You see? Over there. So this phone, I think the issue is the charging system over here. So currently, it is not my phone, guys. This phone is not mine. It is my grandmother's phone. Yeah, it is. This is her phone. So I am taking the phone to a technician. We call them the technicians, guys. I'm going to fix this phone for my grandmother. So guys, look here. We have two ways. This is a Y. This way or this way. This way. So we use this way. Guys, it's bushy. The road itself is kind of bushy. See over here? So this is the road that I'll take. The other one has just passed over there. So for me, I'm going to use this road. Kids are playing over there, down there. For me, I'm going to go with this road. So I'll have to use this road over here to the town. Slowly, by slowly, guys. Pole. I'm telling you, maybe the view could not be good, but you see how beautiful it is. And this video, I have not even edited it at it to be beautiful. No, this is how the camera is recording it. Slowly by slowly. So I'm going to fix the mobile phone. I think most of you guys have seen this road, because usually I have to use, it's the only road, guys. I cannot have to use a flight to go to town. So I'm going over there. You see this white building over here? That's where I'm going. But the town is on the other side. Let me see if we can locate another building that it can show us a very good view of the main stage over there. I don't know if I can see it over there. Over there. You see where that building is? This one. Yep. So that's where the main stage is. But currently I've been told that the good technicians that we have, they are coming from this building over there. From that building that I've just shown you, the first one. So there is where the good technician is coming from, guys. So as you can see right now, currently I'm not looking quite okay, but all in all, because my grandmother has just given an order, guys. It's an order. She has told me, Tony, I need my phone to be fixed, guys, because the phone is not charging. The phone is quite a mess. Inatusumbua sana. Kisema inatusumbua sana, you say it means the phone is disturbing a lot, guys. So slowly. Yusuf, umetafutwa, hebu come. Wow. Hata tumepiga tenje, sijui ni madam fulani mkani anashika simu. Don't introduce kwa hii video yangu. So guys, this is Yusuf. Say hello. Say hello. Hello guys.
Hello guys.
Yes.
I'm Yusuf.
You are Yusuf.
I'm...
Sasa bibi anakuita.
Ndiyo.
Kama hiyo mboka fulani imetokea pale. Ama hii namba yenye juisi mimi bibi naipeleka kwa fundi. So tuone. Hii ya 0704.
Ndio ya kwangu mwisho 44. Si ndio ya? Ni ya kwangu hii.
Hivyo iko correct?
Iko sawa.
Sasa huyo madam tumempigia akakuwa anasema akujui ati. But sasa weenda kwa bibi usikie hiyo job yenye ulikuwa unaitisha.
Ni sawa.
Si ndio?
Ni sawa.
Bahati yako nimepita hapa. Jota sasa
mimi sasa madam ananiambia mimi sasa ameniambia yani bado. Sasa mimi nikaona basi kakubali matokeo.
Sawa. Wewe ndio chekirada.
Ngoja nishoe karanda manake. Mimi mshtua nikaambia hebu tuchome kiasi. Ngoja nimwambie ngoja nipande.
Sawa, mimi acha nipeleke simu. Safi. So guys, that is Yusuf. He is one of our guys. He is going to do what? To cut grass. I think he has a deal with my grandmother. So let me use this road here. I'm going to use this road over here. Hello, Abo. Koko banana. Safi. So guys, I'm using this road. You see? Because I'm going there to that building. So, and I'm going straight to the guys, to the phone technicians. So, you know, here in the village, even when you are walking here, the grass, you see this grass over here, the bush, you just hear something like snakes, guys. Even you can fear. You can fear to walk through. It is very. You see, this is another shortcut, guys. I have to use over here, so I have to bend low and pass, guys. As you can see, going through. Pole is slowly by slowly. So here, this is the base. See this cousin over there. Service and repair ladies. I don't know if it is here or it is where. Hello, mambo. Wait. Safi. Hapa ndo kwa fundi wa simu. Thank you. So kwa charging system ya macho. Hii. Best price. Fanya wanchwani. Hata nikio wallahi. Nifungue, nipatie star nikufungulia alafu unichomee naye. Wallahi. Hata mimi ni tech ni vile sasa ni ashosh na siko nimejipanga wallahi. For it. Nifungue alafu mimi nitafunga. Wewe utachoma tu. Nikupatie hiyo so. Afanya hakio ndo nimejipino like. Mcheze tu kiwa like. Leo msiku wa kwanza, next time tutakuja ni ABC. Sikudanganyi na najua itarudi. For real. Acha nifungue. Let.
Unaongea? Yes,
So guys, I think I am done. I am done with that. So guys, I am done with fixing the phone. It's over here. The phone is now ready. So guys, I could not, let me go first pass over here, because right now I'm heading back to the. So guys, the phone is now ready. We have replaced another charging system. Charging system was the issue. So right now I am heading back home to go and put the phone to charge for my grandmother. I don't take long, because for me, guys, I was once a technician. So the moment I reached there, I had to ask the guy, how long is it going to take? Then the guy told me around 1 hour or 2 hours. I told him why 1 hour, 2 hours? And because I have another job to do, guys. So I told him, what is keeping you to work? What is holding you back for you to work on the phone? He says that it's so guys, that lady over there, she is surprised. She is going while her neck, she's walking and her neck is like what is this guy doing? I don't know. All in all, for me, I have to keep going. So the guy was like, it will take like 1 hour, 2 hours. And I'm like, no, this is just a 30 minutes job, boy. So what you do is give me the screwdriver, I will open the phone, then for you, you will just fix the charging system. You see, because for me, I know how to, we call it how to disassemble a mobile phone, guys. So right now the phone is ready to operate back again. So what I'm going to do, this marks the end of this video. I'd like to tell you guys, please consider to subscribe on my YouTube channel if it is your first time potentially. Please take a minute and do me a favor, do your boy a favor. Consider to subscribe on my channel, guys. One day we will tell a story, me and you guys. Please support your boy just by clicking the YouTube subscription button, and please don't forget to do what? To turn on the notification button, so wherever I upload a video, it can notify you that your boy has done the thing again. So please remember to subscribe and like on my channel. It's your boy, I am Kiriga. Remember to subscribe. Yep.